If you're in pain, tuning forks can help. Tuning forks are instruments that produce a specific vibration when struck. You may have seen them being used to tune musical instruments, but did you know that they can also tune and balance the vibration of the human body? If you're interested in how sound and tuning forks positively affect the human body, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. My name's Danielle, and I'm a sound therapist and wellness educator. My company, Soundwave Wellness, specializes in using tuning forks for healing. I've witnessed how quickly they can relieve pain in my clients, friends, family, and I felt it for myself. In addition to providing personal tuning fork treatments, I also teach people how to use tuning forks for self-care. Why? Because it's an easy, affordable, and effective way to feel better and get relief fast. Tuning forks can give you immediate pain relief and also offer long-term health benefits. This is a weighted tuning fork, and it works miracles for pain relief. You don't want to put this on broken or fractured bones, but aside from that, you can put it pretty much anywhere on the body. It's great for arthritis pain, headaches, muscle pain, period pain, nerve pain, and chronic conditions. It can help wounds heal faster, reduce swelling, and give you some emotional comfort along the way. Tuning forks come in many different frequencies. I'm using a fork with a frequency of 128 Hz. It's a very balancing frequency and has been proven to decrease inflammation, spike nitric oxide, or NO, both of which are essential to help us release pain. NO is a signaling molecule. It relaxes and widens our blood vessels, increasing blood flow and triggering opiate molecules in the brain. When it's placed on your bone acts as a resonator and spreads the vibration throughout the body. When it's placed on a muscle, the vibration and pressure can cause the fascia to release, relax, and realign. It soothes the area of the body, allowing fresh blood flow to reach. It brings coherent energy to the injury. It feels good, and it provides instant relief. When we experience physical pain, our body's giving us a signal. It's asking for our attention. Sometimes in the case of pain, it kind of feels like it screams for our attention, doesn't it? How many people watching it felt their bodies scream at them before? Give me a capital yes in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. You can think of your tuning fork like a baby pacifier. At very least, it can provide you with a moment of peace and comfort. But I've witnessed the physical and emotional health benefits go far beyond that. A tuning fork provides fast relief by introducing a soothing vibration into the area. You simply need to hold it by the tongue, strike it either on your palm or an activator, and place it on the area where you feel pain. I usually start by listening to the fork. This introduces the sound frequency to the body at an auditory level. It makes a very steady low tone, which grounds and relaxes the body and shifts our nervous system into parasympathetic mode. This is our rest and digest mode. It allows our body's natural healing mechanisms to kick in. I begin by placing the fork on the body where I feel the most concentrated pain. I breathe into the area and relax. The breath is important, so don't forget to breathe. Bring your full attention to the area, strike the fork, place the fork on the pain area, inhale deep, and exhale completely. Letting the fork rest on the pain area until you feel the vibration has run out. If you're doing this on an area where you can reach with your other hand, I suggest placing the other hand around the area. This helps to complete the cycle and also offers you a little bit more comfort. I continue striking the fork and moving the fork where I feel the pain move. In this way, you can trace a pain pattern and potentially reach the root of the pain source. You can move it around the body. Breathe and relax. If I'm placing the fork on an area like my knee or my ankle, I like to place my opposite hand on the other side so that I can stabilize the area and put more pressure on. I also like to use my pinky finger to stabilize the fork, so I'm making sure that my pinky finger has connection with my body as well. Don't be afraid to apply a little bit more pressure than you think is necessary. Sometimes it feels better. If it doesn't, just back off. That's the benefit of self-care. You're in control. If you're working on an area that you can't apply pressure directly to, like a bruise or an open wound, You can place the fork around the area. This is a technique called circling the dragon. Remember to breathe. I also like to hum to match the frequency of the tuning fork, turning my whole body into a tuning fork. It's not super necessary, but humming can offer a lot of comfort and relief. It's kind of like our human way of purring. If you're in pain, you just want it to stop, am I right? Tuning forks are a natural way to relieve pain and potentially transform and heal a pain point in its entirety. You can use this fork to help your friends, your family, your pet, people at the grocery store. Seriously, I carry this in my purse. So, if you're ready to help yourself, get fast relief, feel good, and be a hit at your next dinner party, click the link below in the description to learn about getting your very own tuning fork for healing. If you're curious and would like to know how sound and tuning forks can help improve your quality of life, don't forget to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time for more sound health tips. Be well.